In today's video, I am going to show you how to work with PDF files inside Adobe Illustrator. By the end of this video, you will learn how to convert a PDF into fully editable vector shapes, add or remove pages from a PDF using Adobe Illustrator, save your Illustrator designs as an editable PDF, reduce PDF file size for web or email without losing too much quality. So let's get started. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. This is a full step-by-step tutorial, so stick around until the end because once you know these tricks, you will never struggle with PDF editing again. Let's start with converting a PDF into an editable vector. So click open or go to file menu and click open, and now select your PDF. If your PDF has multiple pages, Illustrator will ask which page you want to open. You can open all pages by selecting all. Make sure to uncheck import pages as links. This may take some time. Once your page is open, try selecting objects. Sometimes text will come in perfectly editable, like you can select the type tool and then add or remove your desired text, as you can see here. Sometimes it may be grouped or converted into outlines. So go to the properties panel and click ungroup until all elements are separated. Sometimes you may have to click this release mask button or ungroup button multiple times. If ungroup or release mask button shows in the properties panel, you will have to click this to ungroup the text. It depends on the PDF document that which software is used previously to create this PDF file. For images, use image trace to convert them into vector paths. So go to window menu and choose image trace. You can watch my complete tutorial about this image trace option. Link is given in the description and I button. Another important thing is you can easily remove any page by simply selecting the selection tool or artboard tool and pressing delete key on your keyboard. If you want to add any page, simply select the artboard tool and click here to create a new artboard. Now open any document, select the required text or images using the selection tool and go to edit and copy. And then paste it in this document. Now you can arrange this as you want. Now to arrange these artboards, simply go to the window menu and choose artboards to arrange the page numbers. Here you can see the page number of your PDF and artboard name. Same can be seen here when you select the artboard tool. And now you can arrange these as you want. Now to save this file as an editable PDF, go to the file menu and click save as and choose Adobe PDF. Now in the PDF options dialog, check preserve Illustrator editing capabilities to keep layers and text editable. One important thing is this option will make your file fully editable, but its size will be larger. So you can keep two copies, one editable for yourself and one compressed for sharing. So you can update info in the future without redesigning from scratch using your editable version, which you have saved for yourself. So if you want to reduce PDF file size, simply select smallest file size for online sharing. You can set advanced compression setting, downsample images to 150 pixel per inch or 100 pixel per inch. And finally click Save PDF. So these tricks can save time and make Illustrator a true all-in-one PDF tool. If this video helped, like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Comment below which PDF trick will you try first and what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.